heard that. I was like, oh shit. He turned the boat on. We're leaving. Oh no, again. I need my coffee before we leave. Let me get ready. And then I realized, oh no, those are the jets. We're not leaving.
What time was it that they came on?
That'd be like 8. That shows right there that she's traumatized.
She's traumatized.
Yesterday we left unexpectedly, right? We pulled the anchor, couldn't get it reset, and you were like, we're out. And then it was rough seas immediately because we're in the middle of nowhere. And Lucy couldn't have, nobody could have anything. We didn't even eat until like 12 or 1.
No coffee. Thank goodness like you made me
1.
coffee afterwards, because I was like, I can't function. I cannot function without the coffee.
Sometimes when you go looking for an adventure, you find one, and now you know when you see people like having their sundowners on the dock, it's not always like I'm just relaxing. Sometimes it's like I'm recovering.
Yeah, recovering.
They're just happy to be alive, so they're celebrating.
Exactly. Yeah. When you got here, so say, okay, let me have a beer. Cheers.
Today, we're out on the water.
I'm like, what? No, you didn't.
Enjoying our last few hours before Lucy departs.
Trying to get the pose right.
Lucy's off today. I can't hug because I'll get teary-eyed.
We'll say our farewells.
Hi, Calypso.
And then jump into action with repairs and cleaning.
Pull off bedding, get it over to wash it. You ready to walk 3 miles?
All before we're forced to go on a hike for something important.
Lucy, you drank all my coffee.
And I'll enjoy pregnancy on a boat.
We were just chilling in the cockpit, and then boom. This is where you throw up when you're pregnant.
It's Lucy's last day aboard, so we're gonna go exploring.
Yeah, hop out there.
She's gonna take the paddleboard, I'll take the kayak.
Have you paddleboarded before, Lucy?
Oh yeah.
Okay,
I do it
cool.
all the time. I have one at home.
You look like a natural.
I like to do it.
You paddleboard at home.
Yeah. Usually in the lake.
Years ago when we came here, I found my first conch shell. It was right along the lip where kind of the shallow meets the deeper water. And then the son's like, can I show my dad? Can I show my dad? I'm like, sure. And then like an hour later, the dad's like, I'm gonna make conch salad with him. He never gave me my shell back.
Oh.
I know, he just took it, and then he told other people that we met, I found a conch shell. I'm like, what? No, you didn't. I dove down and got that.
Today is all about relaxing with good people. I like to get on our kayak or paddleboard often. You never know what you'll see.
Baby?
I think so. Big shark.
When someone says shark, you gotta go see for yourself.
It's a shark. Yeah, he's like sleeping. Lucy wears really bright, colorful clothing, and it reminds me of her personality. Like, it's very colorful, lots of layers there, and happy. She wears like happy colors, and she's a very happy person. Amazing to have on the boat. A real pleasure all the way around.
How was it?
Great! We saw a baby shark.
Did you really? I didn't see anything when I was out there like that.
No?
After that, we just ended up collecting shells and lounging in the warm water.
Can you take a picture like this? I left my phone there.
Yeah. What we do for a photo session. Trying to get the pose right. I know, right? You did a good job. And it's a beautiful beach. It's all ourselves. It's like our secluded little beach.
It's always awesome when you get your very own secluded beach.
Look, that's why you don't step on stuff.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah,
Oh
that was
my
sitting just like that.
Gosh. Thank goodness.
Anybody want to try to step on it?
Because we were not paying attention.
I know, my goodness.
If we were shuffling, I don't think that would hurt us. I think our toes would hit the nail.
No, if you're shuffling.
Thank you for taking those
You're
photos.
welcome. I'm always happy to take pictures.
You're like our photographer,
Yep.
our traveling photographer.
Like captain, photographer, dishwasher.
Nice, and the
Yeah, just keep me fed. And
important job.
He's had to wash a lot of dishes.
I know, because I'm sorry I cooked and I got a lot of shit dirty.
Okay, that's how it is when you cook.
He doesn't mind. Jeremiah usually takes on the dishes after meals, which is good because I don't enjoy doing them.
Good morning.
good morning.
How are you?
Good. How'd you sleep?
I slept good. I was just worried that I have to wake up early, so
Yeah.
you had that in your head.
Yeah. A travel day. It's always like that.
Yeah, the responsibility. It was awesome. I mean, I had a great time. Everything was nice, including what happened to us that night.
Yeah.
That was good too, because you know, I saw what is really about it when you have challenges to overcome. And yeah, everything was, I mean, perfect.
Well, we're glad that you came, and we really enjoyed your company.
You were a
and
joy.
Your help, and yeah.
Good, thank
Your
you.
cooking,
Yeah.
that was great.
Amazing, yeah.
Dancing lessons.
Yeah,
Yeah, that was
dancing
awesome.
lessons.
Next time we'll have to do samba.
Yes,
Samba,
I won't be
that's-
pregnant.
That's the, yeah, so then you can move your
I'll be a little
hips.
tipsy and I'll be like getting low with you. But Lucy's off today. She's gonna take the Greyhound bus again. Just waiting on her taxi. And then, how long's your bus ride?
Almost 4 hours.
That's not bad.
No, not at all.
Oh.
And the view is beautiful because they go and you go see all the islands up.
Well, we'll miss you.
You know, miss you guys too.
Yes.
I had a great time. Never a goodbye. So
That's
see
right.
you soon.
I can't hug because I'll get teary-eyed and cry. Here we go.
Shoes on.
You look beautiful. You look like you belong in Key West.
Thank you. I may change the plans. Instead of going back home, I'll just go to QS.
There you go.
You got everything?
Yes, I think I did. If I did not, just let me know and we meet in Fort Lauderdale.
Yeah.
Yes. I'll
Thank
give you
you.
one.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you, Jeremiah. Thank you for
Yeah.
everything, guys.
Tell Javi and everybody we said hi.
All right, I will. Bye, Calypso.
Fair winds, Lucy. Thank you for joining our little crew. We're so happy to have you as a friend. Okay, now it's time to get this boat fixed up. First, Jeremiah needs to repair the damage that the trawler did when it hit our bow out in the dry Tortugas, and I'll clean up the guest room. Looks like it's a bit of their paint and some gel coat cracks.
Lucy just left, so I'm gonna come in here and do a quick little cleanup of the area. Let's get some more light. Ooh, that's better. So, you know, I'm gonna redo bedding, so all that's dirty. These weren't in here when she was in here, I just pulled them out. Then I put Reese's school stuff back until our next crew comes, so it's easy for me to get to. So, pull off bedding, get it over to wash it, and then the bathroom.
We recently added this buffer to the boat so the captain could do the detailing. It came in handy for this repair.
Kind of checking, nope, she didn't leave anything. So I'm gonna give the bathroom a wipe down and clean it.
Most of it cleaned up nicely, although there are some deeper gel coat cracks here and some chips under the lip.
I'm gonna strip down and be naked while I clean this.
It's not too much work getting things cleaned up, and we love keeping her ship shape.
We had an issue with the dinghy where it wasn't, I was flushing it, I noticed it had like really low water flow coming out of it. There's a little port that is on the side that shoots a water stream out, and it was really weak. I started running it, same thing, really weak. So I started like trying to troubleshoot, I'm putting a wire up in there, couldn't find anything. Took off the lower end, checked the water impeller, it was good and everything. So I ended up doing is I had to remove the side panel off the dinghy, which is right here, to be able to get to this little, I think this is like a water vapor separator or something like that, but water's coming up from the lower unit into here, and it comes up in this unit here. I'm not sure where else it goes, but it comes back down out here into the little port that shoots the water out. I went ahead and pulled this out, and I found rocks all through here. Even though I took the safety wire and I put it up through here, it didn't, this is thick, this metal, And so the hole right here that this line's hooked up to is very small, so all the rocks were sitting in there. So I was probably just pushing them up in there. And you know, it felt like it was good, but it wasn't. So I took this line, this hose off this right here, blew all the rocks out, put it back on, and now it's good.
Good job.
And I only lost one bolt in the water. The thing about working on these things, it's actually the one right here. There's two that hold this unit together on here, and it's pretty sturdy. I have one back on. I'm gonna have to replace that when I can. But anyway, tricky. But you know, when you do this, you're either doing it above the water high or above the water on the water. So you know, you gotta be careful. But that's good. That's an issue we had, that because you know you can really damage your dinghy engine by running it without water.
You ready to walk 3 miles?
Yeah.
We have this sweet little collapsible cart that we've had for years. Still works like a charm for things like walking to the store.
You got a while to walk.
Well, I can just sit and be with.
No, I'm sitting in there later. You're pulling me.
Huh?
You're gonna be pulling me.
No, I'm gonna be pulling.
Maybe what we can do is like Back to the Future, and you just hop on the back of it's like a skateboard. You know, and you like get something, yeah, we should do that. We'll just all pile in here and hold on to a car.
Coffee. I don't drink it. It's his problem. And note to self, when you have guests on board.
Lucy, you drank all my coffee.
So we're out of coffee. Went to go get coffee this morning at the little restaurant here. They charged us $4 and she sneezed in the cup.
It was crappy, black little crappy cup. I mean, it's fine. It would have been great for like $1.
Yeah.
No, she didn't sneeze in my cup.
She sneezed in the water cup, so she was like,
yeah.
She was very sick. So we're like, screw this. We're gonna walk to the gas station.
Yeah.
So it's 1.5 miles there and 1.5 miles back. We're hoping they have some sort of coffee and water.
Yeah, I can't drink Red Bulls anymore because so many people comment and give me a hard time about drinking Red Bulls.
Oh,
I'm trying to sip the coffee.
So you're doing what the people say now.
Yeah, I just don't want to hear it anymore.
Oh, you don't want to hear it. But it's good. Get some good exercise. I've been wanting to walk. Not too hot.
Yeah, it's really nice though. It's the north wind today.
Yeah. On the way. It looks like a long road to nowhere.
We don't mind the exercise at all. Well, 2 of us don't.
Are you hitching a ride?
Yeah.
Is this your PE class?
Yeah.
You're not doing too much PE.
Well, this is how my PE class does it.
No, he walked about 1 mile. I told him we didn't have to do book work. Instead, we'll do PE today. He liked that. Then he'll walk 1 mile back. It's pretty good.
The store here isn't big at all, so hopefully they'll have it.
I don't see coffee. I don't think they have coffee, Reese.
Not for that. We walked 3 miles for nothing?
There was one.
One left?
Yeah, and it was way in the back, so I was over. It was way.
Thank goodness. Success.
Coming out of the store, we noticed this little food truck. So we got ourselves some lunch.
Do you have your coffee?
Oh, did I forget the coffee?
Oh my gosh. The nice thing is that coffee will last him probably a month, which is great. As long as nobody drinks it, that's the key. How long have we had that thing?
Oh man, I don't know. Do we have it on the Lazy Gecko?
Yeah.
Jeez, 7 years?
7 years.
Okay.
I hope you find your bolt.
Thank you.
How far down do you have to go?
17 feet.
Oh boy.
I don't think there's gonna be enough fizz. I'm gonna look down there. I don't think there's gonna be enough fizz. It's really windy, so I don't think there's any. It's like, I think it's like 3 or 4 feet.
Do you want me to give you a weight?
What?
A dumbbell?
No.
During the dinghy maintenance earlier, a bolt fell and sank all the way to the bottom. Chances of finding this are low.
Oh gosh! You did a lot of splashing.
Okay, I can get that there. It's grassy, so.
Goodbye, Dad. But we'll get the shocker if you need it. glad I wear a bathing suit. You did. He wear BT clothes.
Do you think he'll find it?
Oh no. Isn't it shock water?
There he is.
I don't know if I'm finding this boat because I touched it. I was over here, I was in the wrong spot. I touched it, it's like, it's just like really soft. I imagine that bolt sank.
Should a boat sank in the sand, you think?
Yeah.
Sunk. I love when he does that. Dad, do it right here.
Where is he gonna come up?
I don't know. Here. There you go.
You come up like this. So every time you come up, I think you have it. Because you come up with your hands closed.
This channel is what?
No?
I mean, I could stay a little longer that time, but I was in the wrong place.
Yeah, try again, Dad.
Nope, not happening. The bottom is really soft, so it probably sank in the sand. We'll have to order the bolt.
Well, she said, I want you to film me next time I throw up to show how it is being pregnant. How you doing, babe?
I'm okay.
That was quick.
Yeah, I'm just trying to make it to the toilet is the tricky part.
We were just chilling in the cockpit, and then boom. She gets evening sickness, not morning sickness.
Yeah. Every day after dinner. But it's supposed to go away, right?
Yeah. This is the port bathroom. This is where you throw up when you're pregnant. You got it.
I think I peed.
You're killing it. Okay. You're doing good. Keep it up.
Coming up,
Oh my goodness.
we're sailing north.
Pulling out the slide for one last hoorah. We're starting to come into the crab pots though.
For some final days on the water before making a big change.
Probably about 4 hours away from pulling to the marina. Supercross is on and you're just cleaning the shower.
But first, we'll get busy with a few upgrades,
Replace this blue power panel.
electronics, and more.
We got some professionalism going on down here.
This is gorgeous.
So as a previous Calypso owner, what do you think?
I think this is probably one of the best upgrades you could have done.
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.